How to import passwords to your Google Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the Settings icon. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill. Next, tap on Google, then tap on Import Passwords. Now it said here to import passwords to your Google account, select a CSV file. So tap on that. That will ask you to sign into your Google account. So put in the username and password to sign in. Okay, once you have entered in your username and password, on this page here, tap on Select File, and then choose My Files. And in here, tap on Downloads, and then tap on the file, then tap on Done. And then at the top here, tap on Import. And here, if there is an issue with the file, it will say that there will be an error. At the moment, it says 16 password imported successfully, and one password wasn't imported. So maybe one record entry have an issue, and that's it. So after you can tap on the Close button, and that is how you can import passwords into your Google Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.